Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a powerful and premium cordless lawn mower, the EGO Power LM2206SP 56V 22-inch self-propelled lawn mower. If you're looking to ditch gas and go electric without sacrificing performance, this one is a serious contender. Right away, the first thing you'll notice is the 56V battery system, which delivers strong, consistent power comparable to gas mowers but without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. And with the included 10.0 Ah battery plus an extra 5.0 Ah battery, you're getting extended runtime that can easily handle medium to large lawns in a single session. This mower features a 22-inch aluminum deck, which is not only durable but also lightweight compared to steel, making it easier to maneuver while still being tough enough for long-term use. It's built to last and handle rough conditions without rusting or wearing out quickly. Now let's talk about performance. The Select Cut multi-blade system allows you to customize your cutting performance depending on your lawn condition. Whether you want finer mulching or more efficient bagging, you can switch blades for the best results. The self-propelled function is a game changer. It adjusts to your walking speed, making mowing feel effortless, especially on slopes or larger yards. You're not pushing, you're guiding. And when you need extra power for thick grass, the Power Boost mode kicks in automatically to increase performance. No need to manually adjust settings, it adapts in real time. Charging is also super fast thanks to the 700W turbocharger, which gets your batteries ready quickly so you can get back to work without long waits. Overall, the EGO Power LM2206SP combines power, convenience, and smart features into one high-performance package. It's perfect for anyone who wants a clean, efficient, and hassle-free mowing experience. If you're ready to upgrade your lawn care setup, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.